What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Clear Cryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from over at the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man's Jay Seals with me. What is going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Man, the craziness has been happening in crypto, and it's back. Or is it? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Saitama Inu started an incredible run in crypto in DeFi. Now, it all started with Elon Musk kind of pumping the Dogecoin. Well, in recent news, a couple days ago, he made a crazy thing and he changed the logo of Twitter to Dogecoin. Never really gave an explanation. Dogecoin shot up 22%, charts went crazy, Twitter went crazy, and now that energy is starting to fade. So let's try to check out this story and try to figure out where do we go from here to all the Dogecoin fans out there. So Justin, take us away.
Yeah, so after Dogecoin's meteoric rise, it's now cooled off a little bit. It's down about 8%, but they can't erase those Elon Musk inspired gains. And, it might be kind of hard. So Dogecoin has fallen more than 8% following the fading impact of Elon Musk and Twitter. Conversely, the digital asset has seen an intraday loss that has not been able to be erased the gains brought by Elon Musk's influence. Earlier this week, Twitter, as we talked about, replaced their logo with the Doge meme icon, and the digital asset pumped and saw a 7-day gaining streak. However, a recent decline has many worried about the price correction for the meme coin. The self-professed Doge father, Elon Musk, and Dogecoin are often linked together. Specifically, the billionaire has been outspoken about this admiration of the meme coin and its implementation. And I mean, let's be honest, some people think that he owns Dogecoin now. We at least know that he has a lot of Dogecoin, or at least we like to think. So subsequently, the billionaire set off a rally for the asset through the social media platform of Twitter, but now it's declined a little bit. So the development has not erased all of the positive gains just yet. So, I mean, that's good if you're a fan of Dogecoin, right? Following the highly publicized logo change Monday, we saw Doge pump 20% in less than an hour, which is absolutely insane. And CoinGecko noted that those gains are still intact despite the fall intraday, and the asset is still up about 19% over the week. Dogecoin is well known for its Elon Musk effect, with the price rapidly ascending and then receding through his involvement. Previously in May of 2021, Doge set an all-time high of 73 cents. Oh, I remember those days. Man, following the meme coin's incorporation into Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live when it dumped because of Elon Musk. So we're not going to forget that, right, guys?
It's a scam.
Right? We're not going to forget that, Elon. We will not let you off the hook.
All of us that had
Doge, we will never forget that Saturday Night Live where everybody tuned in just to see Dogecoin plummet. But besides all of that, the most interesting thing I think, Hobbs, about this whole thing is that Elon Musk still got it. I think a lot of people were wondering whether or not Elon Musk still had the power, and clearly the man still has the juice. So what do you think?
100%. I can't help but remember a time when $11 billion market cap for Dogecoin was unheard of. You were like, no way we're ever getting to 11 billion. But that's where we sit right now. At the height, we were at $70 billion market cap. Completely insane for a product that has no utility except Mr. Elon Musk. And honestly, that's all you need, John. That's all you need, Justin. That's the only argument you need.
We're not going to let you forget that you just called me John on video, but okay.
It's actually it was on purpose. It was like, anyway, you have to look up the movie. Anyway, listen, guys, Dogecoin's utility has been Elon from day one, right? Not necessarily day one, but once Elon came out in full support of Dogecoin, its utility has been Elon. Most people don't want to realize that or acknowledge it, but you know what? It's been working pretty damn well for the meme coin, right? Anytime you can get something to go to a $73 billion market cap just off one person's tweets and recognition, it's good. And now he owns Twitter, and he had the ability to change Twitter logo to the Dogecoin, and it shot the price up 22%. Listen, if one man has all that power, as long as he's responsible with it, I'm cool with it. I just would like to know exactly what his intentions are for Dogecoin and crypto moving forward. I think Elon likes to do what Elon likes to do, which is kind of tickle the Twitter, so to speak. Say that 4 times fast. And he did that. He did that by out of the blue changing the Twitter to the dog of Dogecoin. I think that this is very bullish. I don't know where it's going to lead, but I think it's going to lead to some speculation at the very least, and then maybe later on down the line, a little bit of explanation. So we shall see. All I know is you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Come back to the Clear Cryptos educational channel. Check out myself and Justin on previous videos, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.